This is one of the most frequently asked question to me. What gear do I use? Gear as in what lens, what camera are in my bag normally when I go to a fitness photo shoot. So this is my primary camera. So this is a Canon 6D Mark II. With this, most of the time the lens I use is 70-200 Tamron 2.8. I love this lens because I love shooting a bit away from the model and use the foreground, etc., to make it look a bit more organic, or makes I find it good. And the other lens which I mostly tend to use is the famous 50mm 1.8 Canon. This is a really nice lens if the space is limited and if I can't use the 70-200 lens. And in very rare scenarios, I use 1835 Sigma if I'm in a small room or a house gym where the space is very limited or compact. I have to use this because it's a really nice wide angle lens. I can capture most of the space. And other than that, what mostly I use is an off-camera flash. I'm not a big fan of off-camera flash, but I do use it if the light is a bit challenging or I have to make it a bit more dramatic. So it's a Godox Flash V863. That's the one. Yep, got it focused. And then I've got this trigger again from Godox. It's an X Pro C. So this is the trigger which I use for the flash. So that's pretty much what I normally take for a photo shoot. And then mostly, yes, I take few reflectors and the basic stuff like a tripod to attach my mobile to take BTS, etc. But mainly these are the gear which I use on a day-to-day basis whenever I shoot a fitness photo shoot.